Rare cancers are a good model for personalized medicine because in the end, the main issue with precision medicine, personalized medicine, is the numbers. The numbers are low because when you go to a subset of patients, the numbers decrease. And so you face more difficulties doing studies, you face more uncertainty in the clinical decision making and so on. So rare cancers are rare, so they pose a big problem of numbers by definition. I think that if we are able to work out innovative solutions for rare cancers, we may also provide some help to shaping better personalized medicine and precision medicine. If we are able to provide innovative solutions for rare cancers, probably we are also working for personalized medicine and precision medicine because in the end, the solutions could be the same. If you look at precision medicine, personalized medicine, you have at least two big problems. One has to do with your clinical method, and the other has to do with the regulatory environment. And the problem is, in both cases, which freedom do you have? Which degrees of freedom do you have in order to personalize your clinical decisions? Because from the clinical method perspective, you know, if you see evidence-based medicine as something which is based on the results of clinical trials, and clinical trials say to you yes or no on a new therapy, and that's it. Basically, you are not free of personalizing anything. Then if you achieve a personalized clinical decision on a new drug, for example, and that new drug is not available, you are not free of giving it. So I think that these two areas should be dealt with if we want to pursue actually a personalized approach to our clinical decisions. And this is all the more true with rare cancers, because they are rare as tumors. So if you go to subgroups within rare cancers, I mean, of course, by definition, you will have small numbers. And so I think these are the problems. As Rare Cancers Europe, we tried to put together some recommendations in a consensus paper on innovative solutions for clinical research on rare cancers. And we put inside also something on the clinical method, because it's a continuum. You should improve research, you should improve your clinical method, and finally, hopefully, you will be able to personalize your decisions a little more. And of course, that paper also included some solutions which could be useful for the regulatory landscape in which medicine is practiced. Of course, here I'm talking of the European Union because clearly the regulatory environments, globally speaking, are very discrepant. In the European Union, you know, the main problem today is this gap between the centralized approval of new drugs and then the reimbursement of these drugs, which takes place nationally or regionally even. So how to fix this issue, how to bridge this gap? I think that an harmonized assessment of efficacy should be the solution, even if then you may have a different willingness to pay at the national or regional level, of course, but at least the efficacy assessment should be harmonized, which doesn't happen today. And of course, again, in rare cancers in particular, the assessment of efficacy is problematic because you have more uncertainty. We always say in the rare cancer community that in order not to discriminate against rare cancer patients, you need to accept a higher degree of uncertainty. And in a sense, this is the problem. I mean, if you want to do precision medicine and so on, you must accept a higher degree of uncertainty. This is the problem.